Here's a quick video on an interesting topic, which is the O-ring. The O-ring is this little ring over here. It's put between the spring and the armature bar screw. So I don't know if you can see this, but let me know. Okay. So this O-ring over here, you need to keep changing it every now and then. The reason being, this is something which I didn't change for a long time, and this is a fresh O-ring. I'll put it side by side and you'll get to know the difference. It might look same, but it's not. It's actually larger. You can see the difference over here. So this is also a fresh O-ring. The middle one is a used O-ring. So it's bigger, which means that the angle will not be correct. So it's always good to change the O-ring. You need to use fresh O-rings, and these are damn cheap, so you can just switch it around every 1 or 2 weeks. I usually change it every week, and that's about it.